Did you know your iPhone's Air MagSafe can unlock a whole world of smart, game-changing accessories? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into the 11 plus best must-have MagSafe gadgets that'll upgrade your daily life. Stick around and don't forget to check the description for the best deals. The number 12 product on our list is TORRAS Stronger Magnetic Case. What if a case could do more than just shield your phone? What if it actually elevated your entire iPhone experience? That's exactly what the TORRAS Stronger Magnetic Case delivers. With double the magnetic strength, it keeps your iPhone 17 Pro Max securely locked to MagSafe chargers and accessories, eliminating slips and interruptions. Unlike cases that feel heavy and bulky, this one maintains a sleek, lightweight profile, yet still offers military-grade drop protection, so even accidental drops won't trigger panic. The textured grip feels premium in hand, while customizable buttons add a touch of personalization that most cases ignore. What really sets it apart is the camera button responsiveness, making quick photo captures smoother than ever. If you want elegance, functionality, and peace of mind in one, TORRAS proves you don't need to compromise. This case feels less like protection and more like an upgrade. If number 11 is LISEN Ultra Slim MagSafe Charger. Bulky, heavy power banks are a hassle, but the LISEN Ultra Slim MagSafe Charger proves you don't have to sacrifice power for portability. At thinner than an iPhone, this feather-light charger slips effortlessly into your pocket or bag, making it ideal for travel or daily use. Its magnetic snap-on design ensures a secure hold on your iPhone 17 Pro Max, while delivering fast wireless charging that keeps pace with your lifestyle. Thanks to advanced temperature control, overheating is no longer a concern, giving you safe, efficient charging every time. With its 5,000 mAh capacity, it's strong enough to fuel your phone through the busiest of days without weighing you down. Unlike bulky competitors, LISEN nails the sweet spot between power and portability. Sleek, reliable, and built for modern life, this charger is a smart must-have upgrade for anyone always on the move. And number 10 is LK Wireless Charger. What if one charger could handle your phone, earbuds, and watch at the same time without adding clutter? That's exactly what the LK Wireless Charger delivers. Designed with Samsung users in mind, it offers a sleek, practical design that blends effortlessly into your setup. The real game changer? A detachable watch charger, giving you flexibility whether you're at home, at work, or traveling. Unlike bulky alternatives, it even charges through most cases, so you won't be stuck constantly removing your cover. The intuitive LED indicators provide a quick confirmation that everything is charging without creating a glowing distraction at night. While it isn't universally compatible with all devices, for Samsung fans looking for seamless, stress-free charging, it's a dependable pick. With style, substance, and everyday practicality, this charger proves convenience doesn't have to be complicated. At number 9 is LISEN MagSafe Car Mount Charger. Imagine a car mount that doesn't just hold your phone, but also charges it quickly and safely while you drive. That's exactly what the LISEN MagSafe Car Mount Charger brings to the table. Unlike typical mounts that slip, wobble, or overheat, this one features advanced heat sink technology to keep your device cool and consistently powered. With 4-in-1 installation options, you can set it up on your dashboard, windshield, vent, or desk, giving you the flexibility to match your driving style. The one-click release mechanism makes docking and removing your phone effortless, even with one hand. Compared to bulkier mounts, LISEN strikes the perfect balance of sleek design and dependable durability. If you're tired of unstable mounts and slow charging, this smart, travel-friendly solution guarantees peace of mind and smooth, worry-free journeys every time you hit the road. At number 8 is SYNCWIRE Magnetic Phone Ring. Here's something you might not know. Most phone rings offer little more than a flimsy grip, but the SYNCWIRE Magnetic Ring completely redefines the standard. Built with ultra-strong magnets and a double-sided grip design, it secures your phone firmly, even when attached to magnetic car mounts, without needing to remove the ring. The 360-degree rotation adds effortless flexibility for calls, videos, or gaming, while the subtle click sound is oddly calming, like built-in stress relief every time you use it. Unlike typical rings that wear out or wobble, SYNCWIRE stands out for its durability, comfort, and unique design touches. Compared to others in the lineup, it strikes a rare balance between practicality and enjoyment. If flimsy holders have frustrated you before, this smart, sturdy, and even soothing accessory will feel like a total upgrade. And number 7 is ExtreLife MagSafe Wallet. Here's something you might not expect. Losing your wallet is no longer a fear when you've got the magnetic wallet with built-in AirTag support. Crafted with a magnetic lock 6 times stronger than standard holders, it clings securely to your phone, giving you true peace of mind wherever you go. Unlike slim wallets that stretch awkwardly or feel flimsy, this one is designed to hold up to 10 cards with ease, using a smart pull-tab system that makes access quick and effortless. The slim profile avoids unnecessary bulk, keeping your phone setup sleek and practical. Plus, the built-in RFID blocking layer keeps your personal data safe from digital theft. Tested for everyday durability and convenience, it's more than just an accessory. It's a daily essential that combines style, security, and practicality in one powerful design. For modern users, this wallet is a game changer. At number 6 is Kaistyle MagSafe Car Mount. Here's a real game changer for your daily drive. The magnetic car mount combines sleek design with a rock-solid grip, making fumbling with your phone a thing of the past. Engineered for the latest iPhones and fully compatible with MagSafe cases, it locks your device securely in place. No extra plates, no hassle. Unlike bulky mounts that clutter your dash, this one boasts a minimal footprint that keeps your interior clean and your view crystal clear, perfect for drivers who value both safety and style. The 360-degree rotation makes adjusting your screen effortless, whether for navigation, music, or hands-free calls. Plus, its strong adhesive base holds firm through every bump and turn, so your phone stays exactly where you want it. For anyone seeking peace of mind, convenience, and elegance on the road, this mount is a must-have upgrade. At number 5 is Andobil Magnetic Phone Grip Holder. Here's a surprising fact: not all phone grips are built to last, but this one truly raises the bar with its blend of style, strength, and comfort. Made from military-grade zinc alloy, it feels solid in hand while maintaining a sleek, modern look. Tested to withstand over 30,000 folds, it keeps its grip long after others would give out. The dual-sided magnet is a game-changer, letting you snap it to car mounts or metal surfaces with ease. No more removing and reattaching like with typical grips. Add to that the soft silicone finger rest, which feels like a gentle hug and even protects your nails, and you've got a grip that's as comfortable as it is practical. For multitaskers and style-consciousness users alike, this accessory blends resilience, elegance, and everyday convenience into one confident must-have upgrade. At number 4 is Baseus Picogo MagSafe Charger. Here's a bold truth: finding a power bank that's both slim and powerful often feels impossible. But the Baseus Picogo proves it can be done. With a sleek, pocket-friendly design, it slips seamlessly into your daily routine while hiding an impressive 10,000 mAh battery. Unlike bulky brick mail rivals, it attaches magnetically to your phone with a secure grip, giving you confidence on the go without juggling loose cables or unreliable connections. The real win here is versatility: fast wireless charging for convenience and a solid 27-watt wired output for when you need maximum speed. That balance ensures you're never left waiting around. Compared to other portable chargers in its class, the Picogo nails the sweet spot between portability, performance, and style. For anyone tired of the dreaded low battery warning, this is a smart, dependable solution built to keep up with modern life. The third one on our list is Air MagSafe Shockproof Case. Here's a true game changer in phone protection, one that blends strength and style effortlessly. The ESR Shockproof case wraps your iPhone 17 Air in military-grade defense with AirGuard technology that cushions every corner to absorb shocks like a pro. Unlike traditional bulky cases, it keeps a slim, lightweight profile, offering rugged durability without compromising elegance. The raised edges provide extra protection for both screen and camera, giving you peace of mind against scratches and everyday clumsiness. What sets it apart is the built-in strong magnets, ensuring flawless alignment for wireless charging and MagSafe accessories, something many competitors fail to deliver consistently. It's sleek, secure, and smart, ideal for users who demand both functionality and style. If you're after serious durability without the bulk, this ESR case stands out as a top-tier choice that checks. On number 2 is TORRO Leather MagSafe. Imagine wrapping your iPhone Air in a touch of genuine luxury that feels just as good as it looks. This premium leather case blends timeless craftsmanship with modern MagSafe convenience, delivering a perfect balance of elegance and everyday practicality. Unlike ordinary plastic shells, the cowhide leather ages beautifully, developing a rich patina over time, a mark of true quality that no synthetic case can match. The detachable folio cover adds versatility, letting you keep things slim with just the bumper for daily ease, or switch to full coverage when you need added protection and card storage. Its secure magnetic connection doesn't just hold strong, it also works seamlessly with wireless charging, keeping your experience effortless. For anyone craving sophistication, protection, and functionality in one, this leather folio stands out as a smart upgrade, elevating your phone while reflecting personal style. Now moving to the last one is TORRAS Magnetic Slim Fit Case. Looking for a case that's both feather-light and bulletproof in protection? The TORRAS Magnetic Slim Fit Case for iPhone Air checks every box. At just 0.03 inches thin and 0.63 Oz, it feels almost invisible on your phone. Yet, don't let this slim build fool you. Packed with 38 powerful N52 magnets, it locks your iPhone securely in place, whether you're charging wirelessly or snapping it onto MagSafe accessories. That means no more slips, interruptions, or weak connections. The sleek design pairs perfectly with its velvet soft grip, resisting fingerprints while keeping the phone feeling premium in hand. Unlike bulky competitors, it strikes the balance between elegance and everyday defense. For those who want unbeatable MagSafe compatibility and a case that combines convenience, protection, and style, TORRAS delivers a slim but strong solution you'll love using every day. So guys, this was the video about the 11 Plus best iPhone Air MagSafe accessories. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.